everyone, how are you? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Chef Angie.
And I'm Chef Cathy. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for the feedback. Thank you so much. And we can't wait to give you more content. In our kitchen today, we are going to make scones. We're going to make jam scones, coconut scones, and chocolate chip scones. Right here, we have flour, we have some milk, sugar, baking powder, desiccated coconut, 2 eggs, some prestige, chocolate chips, and vanilla essence and jam. So we are going in first with our flour as Angie puts in our butter. So Chef Angie.
Yes, please.
How has been your week?
My week has been very interesting. I have been meditating on being blessed to be a blessing.
Tell me more about it.
Because what we are doing now is being a blessing. Someone told me, oh, thank you so much for allowing us to give us an opportunity to learn how to cook, especially with our children. The recipes are easy. They like the content already. So we are blessed to be a blessing.
Indeed we are. So right now what I'm doing is I'm rubbing in, and Chef Angie is going to add in our baking powder. So you first go in with the butter, the sugar, the baking powder, basically the dry ingredients, and then rub them in. That's the term we use in the culinary world. This is good enough. All our ingredients are well incorporated, and now we are going to go in with the wet ingredients.
I think if God has gifted each one of us with different talents. And what use are those talents when they are not serving others? Going with the milk?
Yes, please, going with the milk. I think it's what you're saying is really, really true, because if you have been given a talent, you're just a steward to the talent.
That is very true. I add some milk?
Yes, Chef, please do. And get me some vanilla essence. So the vanilla is just to give us the flavor. Please note that the dough doesn't have to be sticky. You don't have to knead it like you're kneading chapati dough. No, just be gentle and make sure all the ingredients are well incorporated in your dough. So when we are done, we'll be separating the dough and we'll make different types of...
So we'll do 3 portions.
Yeah, sure.
The chocolate and the jam and the coconut. How much time do I need to make scones? Like a batch of 12?
A batch of 12, 20 minutes. Okay, at most 30 if you add baking time. You're good to go. And if you have visitors coming in like 10 minutes, trust me, this is something and that you would do. And as they bake, you just having a chat with them, and you know that aroma when someone is making that. Yeah, I don't know, it makes your visitors excited about what is coming out of your kitchen. We have divided our dough into 4 equal parts. Chef Angie, you said you like chocolate chip. Yeah, for me, I'm going to make coconut and jam scones.
And then the fourth one?
The fourth one can be plain.
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 I almost feel like picking from this plain one.
Why? You have enough. But anything that has coconut in it is always amazing. Tastes very, very good.
About chocolate, I don't know what beats chocolate. And now that you're going into a season of Valentine's. Yes. Chocolate.
Are we even going to make some Valentine's
for your
dishes?
Loved ones.
Chocolate?
Yes, some scones.
Okay.
Yes, some chocolate scones. You can use a chocolate cookie cutter.
So before we went off, you were talking about how we are blessed to be a blessing. And I was trying to think of how I've been a blessing.
What gift have you used?
This right here is the gift. This right here is the gift. There are many other gifts, but I feel like this one is the one that really pops out most.
Okay.
And right now I'm a culinary instructor. That's one way I am trying to be a blessing. Oh, please roll your chocolate, guys, there. Culinary instructor, and I'm trying to be a very good instructor, because Every time I think about it, I'm stewarding God's children.
Yes.
It's not about me, it's about the children. I'm stewarding
The
the
lives you're
changing.
Yes.
Do you know what it means when a student just comes and says, Chef Cathy, I sold some scones, I sold cupcakes.
I was able to make money.
Yes, that is a life change. As Chef Angie does that, please, when you are rolling the scones, don't roll thin, roll thick, or else you end up with mini cookies. I don't think you want your scones to look like cookies. Yeah. I know there is a ninja out there waiting to see the ones of jam. Yeah, I can see that 4-year-old seated there saying, but how do they make the jam ones? So this is how we do it. Meanwhile, you can cut them in different shapes, maybe rectangle, square, whatever makes you happy. So I'm going to just pop my finger in there and put the jam in the center. Yeah.
You know, I always see this kind, but I didn't know how to make them.
As simple as that.
It is very simple.
So imagine your guests have chocolate chips, they can taste coconuts and sampling. Yeah, always remember to make sampling scones because you never know who doesn't want their scones with chocolate chips or coconuts or anything like that. So it's time to taste. The tasting time is here. Angie, I don't want you to go first in with a chocolate chip one. Please try coconut.
This is a very good treat for your loved ones during this season of Valentine. You see the red, you see the juice as well. I can taste the desiccated coconut in there. The scones overall are tender. They're very soft on the inside. And I like it.
You can have the scones with a cup of tea, a glass of juice, a glass of water at any time of the day. And before we go, I would want to tell you about 7-Star Culinary Institute in Incinda along Dr. Atea Road, just near Isabella. They have short courses, they have diploma courses, and right now we even have a 6-month vacist course. So if you are a vacist and you're there and you want to just have an extra skill, please come join us. Sign up for the course. We will leave the number in the description box.
And from us here, it is
bye.